Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an agenda slide that auto-updates from sections in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app and load the presentation you want to work with. For this walkthrough, open your sample presentation so you can follow along in a real file. Starting with an existing deck is helpful because Summary Zoom works best when your presentation already has content that can be grouped into sections. Once the presentation is open, go to the Home tab and look toward the top left for the Section option. Click on Section to begin organizing your slides. Sections are important here because they act like containers for parts of your presentation, and PowerPoint can use those sections to build an agenda-style navigation slide automatically. When prompted, enter a sample name for the section. Choose a name that clearly describes that part of the presentation, since this name may appear on your agenda slide later. Clear, simple titles make the final result easier for your audience to understand. If your presentation has multiple parts, you can repeat this naming approach consistently, so everything stays organized. After your section is set up, move to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint. This is where you'll find the tools used to add interactive elements to your presentation. In this case, you're preparing to create a slide that can serve as an agenda and a navigation hub. Next, click the Zoom drop-down menu. PowerPoint offers a few zoom options, and this feature is designed to help you move smoothly between different parts of a deck during a presentation. It's especially useful for creating a polished, non-linear experience while still keeping your content organized. From that menu, choose Summary Zoom. This is the key feature that automatically generates an overview slide based on the sections or slides you select. It can save time and gives your presentation a more interactive feel compared to building an agenda slide manually. Now select the sample slides you want to include. As you make your selection, keep in mind that these slides represent the sections or topics your audience will use to navigate through the presentation. Choosing the right slides here helps ensure the summary slide reflects the structure of your deck clearly. Once selected, PowerPoint will generate the agenda-style summary for you. This creates a visual overview that can update more easily when based on sections, making it a practical option for presentations that may change over time. That's it. You've now created an agenda slide that uses PowerPoint's section-based Summary Zoom feature to make navigation simpler, cleaner, and more dynamic. And more